about the beautiful colour of this tree in the sky. Turns out, right, when you and that's another one over there. See that one? My pointing. When you're feeding the crows, it's one thing, right? And then when you're watching it on the computer, editing it, you think, oh, that looks so lovely. Such an exotic place. And I was like, hello, I was there at dinner time. Looks. You think, oh yeah, but I wasn't paying attention to the colours, was I? No, I was feeding crows. Maybe what I ought to do is pay a bit more attention rather than watch it on my phone. Oh look, can you see 4 of them there now? I'm not certain they're on the food here. Hello. So I think this is a little bit too undercover for seagulls, but they would take a piece of ham that big. So maybe the key is make the food smaller. They don't go for the cat food. Right. I wonder if they're like a family or a flock or a gang or a tribe or something. Do you know what I mean? Don't know anything about seagulls. Going over there.